20 simple food sentences. The food is hot. The food is hot. The bread is fresh. The bread is fresh. The rice is soft. The rice is soft. The soup is tasty. The soup is tasty. The apple is red. The apple is red. The tea is warm. The tea is warm. The coffee is strong. The coffee is strong. The cake is sweet. The cake is sweet. The milk is cold. The milk is cold. The juice is orange. The juice is orange. The fish is fried. The fish is fried. The meat is cooked. The meat is cooked. The salad is healthy. The salad is healthy. The egg is boiled. The egg is boiled. The cheese is yellow. The cheese is yellow. The banana is ripe. The banana is ripe. The water is clean. The water is clean. The honey is natural. The honey is natural. The butter is soft. The butter is soft. The sandwich is ready. The sandwich is ready. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more simple English sentences.